Good morning, students. I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic blood groups. We'll discuss about different human blood groups and how the crossing is going on in the human blood, so that what are the offspring that will be produced will have what type of blood groups. So today we'll discuss about the detail about blood groups, different types of blood groups, and the crossing between the different blood groups to produce what type of offspring will produce having what type of blood, isn't it? Like if a parent is a if a parent male is A blood group and if a female parent is a B blood group, then what will be the probable case that the offspring that is produced will have what type of blood group? Will it have A? Will it have B? Will it have O? Will it have AB? So we'll discuss this. Clear? So without any delay, let's start with the topic different crossings of blood groups. So let's start. So student, you can see in the topic blood groups, we know that blood groups are of 4 types, isn't it? A type, B type, AB type and O type. So we know that they can be in positive type or can be negative type. So if a blood group is having a RH factor, then that means if a blood group is having a RH factor present, RH antigen present, so those blood groups will be under O positive, A positive, AB positive and AB positive. So those blood groups having RH factor will have a possibility of O positive blood group, A positive blood group, B positive blood group and AB positive blood group. And those blood groups that have a RH negative antigen, they will have O negative, A negative, B negative and AB negative. So all those negative are the rare blood group. So we know that AB is a universal recipient, isn't it? And O is a universal donor, isn't it? So you can see different ratios I have given. See, RH antigen present in human beings in this world, there are 85% people, 85% of the people living in this world have RH positive blood group. That means RH antigen they have in their blood. And 15%, only 15% of the people have RH negative blood. That means from those 15%, again they are divided like what, few is O negative, few is A negative, few is AB negative and few is B negative. And out of the 85% of RH positive, they are again divided into O positive, AB positive, A positive and B positive. Understood? Again the ratios are given here, you see, like blood types. Clear? You can see the ratios are given. Clear? So blood groups, one is a phenotype. Clear? Blood phenotype, like A, AB, B and O, these are the phenotype. Now what is the gene present in that A blood group? So A blood group can be of two different genotype. One can be IA or IA and I. That means it can be IO. Clear? So we have to know previously that O is a recessive character, A blood group A and blood group B are the dominant character and blood group AB is a co-dominant character. So we know from the earlier slides or the earlier lectures, we know that dominant means if it is present it will be superior, recessive means it will be suppressed, co-dominant means both the state will express. Like for blood group A and AB, like for blood group AB, both A and B expresses itself. Like for blood group A separately and like for blood group B separately. Only here A expresses for A blood group and B expresses for B blood group. Whereas in O blood group, this is a recessive one. Clear? So you can see that in A blood group we have IA or IA-IO. For B blood group we have IB or it can be IB-IO. For AB blood group it can be it is IA-IB or it can be IB-IA. And for O blood group we can write small I or we can write IO. Clear? So similarly for A blood group, here they have written no IA and I, we can also write it as IAIO. Clear? So the antigen present in different blood, we can see in A blood group we have A antigen, in B blood group we have B antigen. If in AB blood group we have A and B antigen, and in O blood group we don't have any antigen. So in O blood group we don't have any antigen. For self transfusion, we know that A, clear, A can donate A. We know that O is a universal donor. O gives everyone, and AB can receive from everyone, isn't it? So we can see to and from, clear, who can donate whom. Next, you can see a blood group. You can see gives to these people and receive from this group of people. So there is a good chart I have given. You memorize it. Clear. It's very easy. Clear. O negative can give all, isn't it? O can receive only from O negative. So this beautiful chart has been given. So one more chart I have given, like if father is having a different blood group and mother is having a different blood group, what will be the blood group of offspring? Like for first case, you can see if a mother blood group is A and a father blood group is A, so the offspring produced will be of A type or O type. Clear. Similarly, you can see if a mother blood group is B and a father blood group is B, then offspring produced, it can be these are of following types. This is the same case as that of Puneet's checkerboard. You have studied monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross. Very nice diagrammatic presentation has been given. You watch. Same thing like blood group of parents and blood group of child. If a parents is having A blood group, both male and female are having AA, then the offspring produced will be A. It can be O also. So different charts are there. You can see if a parent is having A and B, then the possibility of a offspring is, it can be A blood group, it can be B blood group, it can be AB blood group, it can be O blood group. So nice chart has been given. If a parent is having, both the parents are having O, they will receive O blood group. If a parent is having A, B and O blood group, the offspring will produce A and B. If a parent is having capital A, means AB, one parent is having AB, another parent is also having a AB, then the possibility lies A, B and AB. So you can see the chart. Same thing here, parent 1, parent 2. So now we come to the crossing. Clear. Like here you can see a parent, we are crossing between a mother and father, isn't it? So they have taken father blood group as B blood group, but here you have to see the genotype. Here it is IB and I, or it can also be told as IB, IO. Clear. And this side here also is a IA blood group, that means IA and I, or it can be also told as IA. Clear. So that means we know that O is a recessive, isn't it? So that's why the father is a B blood group and mother is a O blood group. You can see from here from IBI, two gametes will come out. One is IB and another is I, and from IAI two gametes will come out. It will cross. So the offspring that will be produced will have a possibilities of all the 4 blood groups. You can see one can have AB blood group, one can have B blood group, one can have A blood group, one can have O blood group. So these are the probabilities. Clear. Again, I have shown a parent crossing between previous. In this case here, the crossing between B blood group and A blood group. Here the crossing between A blood group and B blood group. This is a reverse case. Clear. So again, the genotypes, it will come out and you can see that all the cases arises. It can have AB, it can have A, it can have B, it can have O. Clear. So you have already studied monohybrid and dihybrid cross. These are very easier. So if a parent is having a father is B and then I, double dose here you check. Previously it was IB and I, isn't it? Here you can see having father is having B blood group, but in double dose, like IB and IB. But previous one it was IB and IO. Clear. So here IB, here IA. So only one will come. So always the offspring that will be produced will have a AB blood group. The child will have a AB blood group. Clear. This crossing has already been shown. So here you can see a man is having male person having A blood group, and a woman is having AB blood group. So all the variants, the gametes will come out. You can see the possibility of the offspring. It can be A blood group, it can be A blood group. 2 cases. One is pure AA, another is AO, another is BO, another is AB. So these are the ratios. Very interesting. It is very interesting. See the characters. All are very easy. Again, if a possibility lies, if a parent is crossing between A and A, this chart I have given previously, like if a parent is having O, if a parent is being, what will the offspring? The chart has been given here, the crossings are only shown. So if a parent is having AA, that means if a male parent is A and female parent is also A, the possibility lies C, all will be A, but one is IA and another is IAIO. Two are IAIO and one is IOIO. Clear? That means one is heterozygote, two different homozygous and two same heterozygote. These are same crossing. You can see, you can try at home. See, if a parent is having a father is AB and mother is O, you can see the crossing. See, the offspring produced will have A blood group and B blood group. Same case here, diagrammatic I have done, phenotype and genotype. Clear? So like if I tell if a person is having a blood group, that is a phenotype, so that A blood group can have two possibilities. It can be IAIA or it can be IAIO. These you have to understand. If a person is having B blood group, it can have two possibilities. It can have IB or IBIO. Clear? If a person is having AB blood group, that means it have a possibility of IAIB or IBIA. Clear? So for recessive, it is for O blood group, it will always have IOIO. So you can see type A, B, AB or O are physical expression of a person gene, which means they are phenotype. Clear? So phenotype of the blood, this one I have already explained. See, A, B, AB, O. Clear? The genotypes are present here. So for A blood group, the serum, that is antibodies in the serum, is anti-B. For B blood group, it's anti-A. For AB blood group, it's none. And for O blood group, it's anti-A and B. Remember that agglutinogen A and B are dominant traits. This means that it only takes place in one allele to inherit the trait. This means that there are multiple genotypes. That's why in blood group, they are also called multiple allelism. See, one blood group can be determined by, means many alleles are required to determine the blood group of a person, isn't it? That's why multiple allelism can be seen. So here they have seen a crossing between AB and BO. That means a person is having a AB blood group, one is AB blood group, another is B blood group. These crossings are done, isn't it? So these are all easy. Now student, these are homework questions, so you have to do all this. Show the crossing of the following parents having blood groups given below, then what will be the blood group of the child. So these A, B, C, D, these are the parents' blood group. Now you have to find what will the blood group of offspring. So first question is, you have to cross between A blood group and B blood group. Second, you have to cross between O and O. Third, you have to cross between AB. Fourth, you have to cross between A and A. Fifth, you will cross between A and O. Sixth, you will cross between B and B. And G will cross between B and O. See, you have to find all the cases. Like first one, I'm giving. I've given for first one A crosses with B. So you have to find out all the possibilities. Like A blood group have two possibilities. One is IAIA and another is IAIO. For B blood group, we have two possibilities, IBIB and IBIO. So you have to find all the possibilities. Clear? So thank you, my dear student. This was all about today's lecture for blood groups, and you have learnt about the crossings of different blood groups. The parents having A, female having B, then what will be the offspring blood group, isn't it? The crossings you have learned, these are very easy and interesting. So here the entire lecture to gain the basics, and you have to grasp the knowledge. So stay at home, stay safe. So I'm Shomajit sir, signing off for today. Again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you class.